Ever wondered why companies are investing so much in digital marketing in this modern age? Well, let's take a moment to explore the digital landscape. Picture this. We've transitioned from billboards and newspaper ads to websites, social media, and even virtual reality. Yes, the world of marketing has undergone a metamorphosis, shifting from traditional methods to digital ones. Now, imagine a bustling digital marketplace, teeming with opportunities. That, in essence, is what digital marketing is all about. It's the use of digital channels to reach consumers in a cost-effective and measurable way. It's not just about posting on social media or sending out emails. It's about using these channels to build relationships, gain insights, and drive growth. Digital marketing has become an essential part of a company's marketing strategy, a powerful tool that can transform businesses and catapult them to new heights. In a world where our lives are increasingly online, businesses that fail to adapt to the digital landscape risk being left behind. Let's take a look at a real-world example to understand the power of digital marketing. Picture a small business, let's call it Bloom Bakery. Initially, they relied heavily on word of mouth and traditional advertising, but they struggled to reach a wider audience. So, they decided to venture into the realm of digital marketing. Bloom Bakery started by creating a strong online presence with an engaging website and active social media profiles. They utilized SEO to increase their visibility on search engines and made use of email marketing to keep their customers updated and engaged. Through targeted ads and sponsored content on social media, they reached potential customers they would have never been able to before. The results? Their reach expanded exponentially, engagement with their target audience increased, and their sales skyrocketed. The power of digital marketing transformed Bloom Bakery from a small local business into a well-known brand. As we can see from this case study, digital marketing can lead to impressive results when executed correctly. Now imagine what digital marketing could do for your business. Picture this: your brand reaching more people, your products and services gaining more visibility, and your profits soaring high. All these can be your reality through the power of digital marketing. There's a buffet of digital marketing strategies you can delve into: search engine optimization or SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and much more. SEO boosts your website's visibility on search engines, while content marketing lets you connect with your audience by providing valuable content. Social media marketing, on the other hand, allows you to engage with your customers on platforms they frequent. Starting out might seem daunting, but remember, the first step is often the hardest. Begin by understanding your target audience, setting clear objectives, and choosing the right digital marketing channels. Remember, in the digital age, it's not about whether you should do digital marketing, it's about how well you can do it. So start your digital marketing journey today and see the benefits for yourself.